dear students. Once again, welcome back to my online classes. And as you are giving your periodic test, I hope you have done it absolutely fine. So, students, after so many days, now let's come back to our online classes. So today I am in a totally new setup. As you can see, there is a whiteboard behind me because I'm not going to teach you literature because literature is easy to teach, but today I'm teaching you grammar topic, and that's why I require this board. So as you can see on the top, the topic is already written. As you can read, tense. Okay, so students, today we are going to learn tense, all the kinds of tense, how to make tense, and I will try to make this video short but informative. Okay, so I will tell you how to write sentences in proper tense. I will tell each and every rules and all kind of sentence. So please pay attention in this video. This is going to be very interesting. Okay, so let's start. As you can see, the topic is tenses. So what is tense? Tense means time. Tense means time. So time is divided into three parts. The thing which is done, we call it past. The time which has gone, the time which has gone, जो समय चला गया है, that is past. And the time which is going on, जो समय अभी चल रहा है, that is known as present. And the time which will come, that is known as future. जो समय आने वाला है, so that is known as future. So if we broadly divide tenses, अगर हम tense को बड़ा बड़ा divide करके देखें, so tense are of three types: past tense, present tense, and future tense. Past, the time which has gone, जो जा चुका है. Present, which is going on. Right now I'm teaching you is present. And future will be the things which are coming. Like right now August is going on, so this is present. But if we talk about future, September will be future. I'm going to write some examples. So past, 15th August 1947. Yes, this is our Independence Day date. So this is past. Present, if I write today's date, that is present. For example, 2008 to 2020, this is present. And if I write next year's date, for example, let's say 1st Jan, okay, 2021. So this says future. Okay, so past, present, and future. For example, Wednesday is past, Thursday is today, and Friday will be future. Okay, in the same way, we can say July is past month, August is present month, September will be in future. Okay, students, so this is what I hope this is a very simple thing. You all know what is past, present, and future. But the thing which is important that we are going to learn. So all the three kinds of tenses is further divided into four parts. Okay, that is simple, and then continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous. Okay, so each tense is further divided into four parts: simple tense, continuous tense, perfect tense, and perfect continuous tense. So simple past, then past continuous, then past perfect, and then perfect continuous. So in all, we have 3 into 4 is equal to 12 types of tenses. So हमारे पास total 12 kinds of tenses होते हैं. We have total 12 kinds of tenses. Okay, so I will try to tell you each and every kinds of tenses with correct rule and correct way of writing those tenses. Okay, students. So students, for making any sentence, as you all know, tense is actually a sentence. So for making any sentence, we require three basic things. Okay. For example, if you are making any food, if you are making anything, if you are making any food, so you require some ingredients. So कुछ खाना बनाने के लिए हमें कुछ ingredients की ज़रूरत होती है. Like for example, if you are making biryani, then you require rice, you require oil, you require if you are making veg, then you require soya bean. If you are making non-veg, then you require some meat. So we require some ingredients. In the same way, जब हम एक sentence बनाते हैं, then also we need some ingredients, and I'm going to write those ingredients which are very very important for you. We need subject plus verb plus object. For making any sentence, it is very important to know subject, verb, and object. Okay, so if you have to write any sentence, you require subject, verb, and object. So first thing, let's talk about verb. What is verb? So verb means work, or verb is also equal to action. So verb means work or action. So verb का मतलब होता है any work, कोई भी काम. Okay. For example, eat is a verb, play is a verb, sleep is a verb, read is a work or verb. So verb means to do anything, किसी भी काम को करना is verb. जैसे कि eat, play, sleep, read, ये verb है. This is called verb. And what is subject? Subject means doer of an action. Doer of an action का मतलब होता है वो जो काम कर रहा है. It can be any person or any object. जो भी काम कर रहा है, that is a subject. काम करने वाला is known as subject. And last thing is object. Object is known as receiver of an action. Receiver of an action. Object का मतलब होता है receiver of an action. Receiver of an action means जो भी हम काम कर रहे हैं, जो भी हम वर्क कर रहे हैं, उसका इफेक्ट जिस चीज पे आता है, that is known as object. Okay. So for example, I am writing one sentence. Raja plays football. Okay. Raja plays football. So students, please tell me what is subject. So Raja is subject, plays is verb, and football is object. So subject plus verb plus object makes one sentence. Raja is a subject because who is playing football? Football कौन खेल रहा है? Raja. So Raja is a doer of an action. Raja क्या कर रहा है? What action is doing? Raja is playing. Play. Play is verb. और वो क्या कर रहा है? वो क्या खेल रहा है? उसका असर किस पे आ रहा है? Football. So football is an object. अगर राजा एक एक्शन करेगा तो फुटबॉल पे ही असर आएगा. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राजा हिट द बॉल. सो हिट का असर किस पे आएगा? व्हाट इज रिसीवर ऑफ एन एक्शन? The football is a receiver of an action. So let's take one more example. Sonu catches the Sonu catches the thief. Sonu catches the thief. Means Sonu, the thief was running, चोर चोरी करके भाग रहा है. Sonu catches him. So Sonu is subject, catches is verb, and thief is object. Okay? So Sonu ने एक action किया and action is catches, पकड़ना, and object क्या हुआ? thief. उसका असर किस पे हुआ? thief. thief को अब जेल जाना होगा. So that is the effect on the object. Okay. So that's why whenever we are making any sentence, जब भी हम कोई sentence बनाते हैं, so we require three things, that is subject plus verb plus object. I hope this thing is clear to you. इतना आपको समझ में आया? Okay, so please whatever I am making, whatever I am explaining you board में मैं जो भी लिख रहा हूँ, please make notes of it. कि आप note बनाओ, it will help you in future and in any exams and all. Okay, so please note this. I hope this is clear to you. Please note this.